Good day, children. Sairam. In the last grammar class, we had started with a new topic, adjectives, and we had learned one of the kinds of adjectives. We will do a quick recap of what we had learned in the last class, and then learn two new adjectives in today's class. Chapter 3, Adjectives, Part 2. Okay, now what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that gives more information about the noun that goes with it. Now here are the different kinds of adjectives. These are the 6 kinds of adjectives that you all are seeing in the slide. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity and number, possessive adjective, distributive adjective, demonstrative adjective, and interrogative adjective. Okay, now let's do a recap of what we learnt about adjective of quality. Now, adjectives that are used to describe the quality of a noun are called adjectives of quality. For example, interesting book. Now here, which is the noun? Book is a noun. And the word interesting is describing the book. How is the book? Book is interesting. So interesting is adjective of quality. Now your dirty shoes. Shoes is noun and dirty is describing how the shoes are. So dirty is adjective of quality. So now let's start with the second kind of adjective, that is adjectives of quantity and number. Now we'll read the following sentences, children. First sentence, Sheila ate the whole cake. Again I repeat, Sheila ate the whole cake. Second sentence, there are 8 pens on the table. There are 8 pens on the table. Third sentence, I spent all the money. Again I repeat, I spent all the money. Fourth sentence, Meena brought some rice. Meena brought some rice. Now children, did you notice there were some highlighted words in the sentences? Yes. So here the highlighted words whole, ate, all, some are adjectives. They say how many or how much of a thing is meant. So they are known as adjectives of quantity or number. Now adjectives of number answer the question how many. So whenever you want to find out which kind of adjective is given in the sentence, ask the question how many. And if the adjective given in the sentence gives the answer to the question correctly, then it is adjective of number. For example, in one of the above sentences, the sentence was there are 8 pens on the table. So here you ask the question how many or how many pens for this sentence. So you get the answer 8 pens. So it is adjective of number. Now adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. Now similarly you ask the question how much for adjective of quantity. For example, one of the above sentences was Meena brought some rice. So ask the question how much and you get the answer some. So this is adjective of quantity. Okay, now let's solve an activity now, children, which is based on adjectives of quantity and number. So here what you have to do in this activity? You have to underline the adjectives of quantity and circle the adjectives of number. Now first sentence, we have 10 fingers. I repeat, we have 10 fingers. Yes. So which is the adjective over here? Yes, think children. Yes. So the adjective of number here is 10. We have to circle the adjective of number in the sentence. So 10 is the adjective of number and that's why it is circled. Second sentence, there is some water in the bucket. I repeat, there is some water in the bucket. Now here children, which is the adjective here? Yes. Yes. So here some is adjective of quantity. Third sentence, I don't have much work to do. So which is the adjective here? Yes. Much is adjective of quantity. Next, fourth sentence, many birds were flying over the tree. So here the adjective many. The adjective of quantity is many. Here he made several mistakes. So here the adjective is several. There, sixth sentence, there is little rice in the sack. Yes, so here the adjective is little. Okay, adjective of quantity. 7. I ate 2 bananas. So here the adjective is 2. So 2 is adjective of number. Okay, now let's move on to the third kind of adjective, that is distributive adjectives. Now read the following sentences, children. First sentence, every man must do his duty. I repeat, every man must do his duty. Second sentence, each student was fined ₹100. Each student was fined ₹100. Third sentence, either team can win the match. Either team can win the match. Fourth sentence, neither statement was true. Neither statement was true. Now here also, children, there were some highlighted words in the sentences. Okay, which were the words? So in the above sentences, every, each, either and neither show the persons or things taken singly or separately. So they are known as distributive adjectives. So what are distributive adjectives, children? Adjectives that qualify members of a group separately instead of collectively are called distributive adjectives. Okay, let's solve an activity based on distributive adjectives. Okay, now here also what you have to do, you have to underline the distributive adjectives. Okay, so the first sentence, every word of it is false. I repeat, every word of it is false. Okay, now think, children, which is the distributive adjective here? Yes, every. So every is distributive adjective. Second sentence, either pen will do. I repeat, either pen will do. Yes. Now here, which is the distributive adjective? Yes. The word either is your distributive adjective. Third sentence, neither accusation is true. Neither accusation is true. So which is your adjective here? Yes. Neither is your distributive adjective. Fourth sentence, each student should do the exercise. I repeat, each student should do the exercise. Yes, now here which is the adjective? Yes, each. So each is the distributive adjective. Okay, next sentence, on either side is a narrow lane. I repeat, on either side is a narrow lane. Yes, so here which is your distributive adjective? Yes, either. So either is the distributive adjective. Sixth sentence, each of the two boys has a sword. So which is the adjective here, children? Yes, each is the distributive adjective. Seventh sentence, Rita and Reena quarreled with each other. So here, which is the adjective? Distributive adjective? Yes. Each is the distributive adjective. Okay, now the eighth sentence, every student is asked to bring a notebook. So here, which is the distributive adjective, children? Yes, every. So every is the distributive adjective. Ninth sentence, does any of you have a pencil? Does any of you have a pencil? Yes. and the distributive adjective is any. The 10th sentence, each boy must take his turn. Each boy must take his turn. So here the distributive adjective is each. Each is your distributive adjective. Okay, children. Now revise all the 3 kinds of adjectives that we have done and see you in the next class. Thank you. So what did we revise what did we do in today's class, children? We revised the adjective of quality and learnt 2 new kinds, that is adjective of quantity and number and distributive adjectives. So revise this and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.